about fruit names. Yuppie! Hey, let's go! Apple! It's a red apple. What's the name? Apple! What comes next? Yay! It's a banana. Banana. Yay! What's the name? Banana. Yippee! It's a mango. Tasty. What's the name? Mango. Mango. Yay! Wonderful! It's a strawberry. What? It's a strawberry. Strawberry. Ooh. What is this? Oh, this is watermelon. Watermelon. What's the name? Yay! Watermelon. Orange. It's a orange. Oh, orange. Yay! Super. Hey, what's the name? Grapes. It's a grapes. 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 Yay! Wow! It's a pineapple. Pineapple. What is this? It's a pineapple. Yay! Hoo-hoo! It's a pear. Pear. It's a pear. Hoo-hoo! It's a cherry. Cherry. Yay! Tasty. Red cherry. What's the name? Cherry. Yay! It's a peach. What's this? It's a peach. Papa peach. Yeah! It's a pomegranate. What's this? Pomegranate. Pomegranate. Yay! Pomegranate. Pomegranate. Ooh, what is this? This is dragon fruit. Ooh, what's this? Dragon fruit. Yay! Right. It's a avocado. Green avocado. It's tasty. Yes.
So kiddos, if you like the video, share and subscribe. Bye bye kiddos.